Everybody back here in the automotive. Just want to show what I'm doing today. I'm doing a major service on this 986 Boxster S. So I'm replacing the fuel filter. Fuel filter sits inside here in the middle there. It's a bit of a pain to get to. You gotta remove all the covers and all the coolant pipes. So you gotta remove the brackets for the coolant pipes to come off. Remove this part off as well. Actually to take it off. And the earth wire as well there. And I want to do the coil in the ignition. I've done the oil already, but the ignition coils is here. So spark plugs are in there. Yes, but you got to remove all the ignition coils out. So it's got to be done when it's really, really cold. Otherwise, you'll burn your hand. So it's really hard to get to, but you can still do it. Let's look underneath the car. This car is pretty clean, really, really clean. Yeah. But from the, you see the actual. All these pipes gotta come off so you can actually move the fuel filter just as a corner. Not right off, but just the brackets off so you can take it out. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe. That's where I go underneath the car just so the customer can see the car from underneath. It's great. It's a good view, so exhaust pretty good. There's no rust. The tires pretty good as well. So, alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.